Greetings, doctors. Let me introduce myself as Dr. Manorajan. I'm basically a nephrologist into this field of PG entrance exam training for the past 15 years with a special inclination towards Harrison-based medicine teaching. So I'm just priming regarding this NEET PG medicine Harrison-based online course for this NEET PG 2021 exam. This is basically a course which is for 6 days. Who are the beneficiaries for this course? Quite naturally, NEET PG aspirants. But apart from that, the other entrance exam aspirants like JIPMA, AIIMS, and PGI are also will be immensely benefited in this course. The relevance of the statement will be clearly understood during the sessions. One more category of candidates who might be immensely benefited from this online course will be candidates who are aspiring for NEET SS medical specialties. For them, out of the 100 questions, it will be 60 from their specialty subjects and 40 from the basics. So this can comfortably take care those 40 from medicine, and among the 60 questions from their specialty, from any specialty, it can definitely erode into 20 questions. So in a nutshell, it can give 60 questions from NEET SS examination, medical specialties. And this 6 days, 50 hours. It is phase 1 from October 16th to October 18th. Phase 2 is from October 24 to 26, 3 days. Each day, the timing starts from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. There will be 2-hour session for each every day. For candidates who cannot come online during that time, during this pandemic, it will be not possible for most of them. So the recorded sessions will be available for 6 months, commencing from October 2020. And for any candidate who will be willing to come to this online course, the first and maybe the only question which might be have will be how many questions in NEET PG 2021 can be answered confidently if I attend these 50 hours. Evidence-based medicine, I kept this NEET PG 2020 as the gold standard exam in assessing and answering this question. When I went through NEET PG 2020 exam, this was the one which I derived. Approximately 80 to 90 questions, which I say is bare minimum. It might be, at the end of the session, you might come up around 100 questions. I won't be surprised on that. So approximately 1 hour of this online session might yield 1 to 2 questions in NEET PG 2021 exam. For that matter, it might answer in your AIIMS November 2020. PGI 2020 and JIPMA 2020 also. In AIIMS, one word, it might answer those single response questions. Not much regarding this assertion region and all, but it might answer directly your single based questions. And what is the main purpose of this program? The main purpose of this program is make your basics rock solid. Basics means the concerned theory knowledge in the concerned topic. One more request for any person who is preparing for PG entrance examinations. Don't ever start by preparing only by starting with MCQs. MCQs are essential, but they should not be the only thing which you should start preparing. It should have a sound theory knowledge, and then when it comes to basics, you might build a beautiful balanced, beautiful building there, which may look majestic on your rock solid basic. So our main purpose will be to make your theory rock solid. So when you come to the examinations, when you come to the MCQs in the test in the course, you'll be actually searching and looking for the answer and picking it out. So this T20, there will be a T20 session at the end of every peer discussion with the MCQs. It will comprise NEET PG, AIIMS, JIPMA, and PGI. Even though you're writing only NEET PG, then why should I read regarding AIIMS, JIPMA, and PGI? That might be a basic question for any NEET PG aspirant. When I went through some NEET PG 2020 books, they were analyzed from where the other questions were asked. Predominantly, what they came to the conclusion which they made was minimal questions were direct repeats from the previous year's NEET PG. That is namely NEET PG 2019. But most repeats from the relevant AIIMS, JIPMA, and PGI questions. So that is one more reason why this has been included in this program. So any NEET PG aspirant or AIIMS, JIPMA, PG aspirant can comfortably answer these questions. What is the total number of MCQs covered? 400 per day and 2000 in the entire program. Include around 500 from NEET PG, AIMS 500, JIPMA 500, and PGA 500 questions. So as T20 is there, we might have a super over. What is that? Questions from NEET PG oriented new points from Harrison 20th will be made into questions and given here. These are the questions which has not been asked in any entrance exam, but might visit November 2020 AIMS PGA or JIPMA, or it might visit NEET PG 2021 examination. In nutshell, what we have tried to do, we have gone through Harrison 20th edition in detail. We have compared that with Harrison 19 and picked out important viewpoints in 20th edition. In my personal opinion, Harrison is the best book for any PG entrance examination. But this is like this fruit. It contains a lot of thick shell, a lot of unnecessary things for entrance examinations. So any faculty or any guy who's doing a Harrison based course should chisel out all those which are not required. Should compare both editions, most important, should compare both editions and should decipher all viewpoints and collect it and do this. Chisel everything, chop it into small points, entrance exam orient points, put it here and give it in a nutshell, including straw. The only request, kindly submit. And success is yours in NEET PG 2021 exam, AIMS November 2020, JIPMA November 2020, and PGA November 2020 also. So, to put it point blank, 50 hours of in-house program. After completing that 50 hours in October 2020, humble request to provide 1 hour for the next 2 months, namely November and December, so that I get this 60 hours. 60 hours in vitro and 60 hours in vivo, total 110 hours. 110 hours can help you secure 120 to 130 questions in NEET PG 2021 exam and a major chunk in AIMS, PGI, JIPMA, November 2020 exams. There are two peaks in this picture. I always say the proverb is very correct. A picture is worth a million of words. So there are two peaks here. Naturally, one peak is your NEET PG 2021 exam. The other peak is your Harrison. What we have tried to do, we have tried to climb one peak and conquer the other peak, namely the NEET PG 2021 exam. Thank you so much. Best wishes for your examinations.
Thanks, doctors, for your patient listening here. For further details, please contact this number. Thanks a lot once again for your patience. All the best.